Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. With popular features, features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, rear view camera, power seat dual, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2019 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, navigation system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.